Manager Matthew Bishop, Matt must be very disappointed after that.
Yeah, I thought we did quite well first half. I was quite pleased about the shape and the game plan, and we did okay. Didn't have that cutting thrust again in the final third, but we contained them. And you go in half time a little bit confident and thinking we might be able to get something out of this, and second half display, a disappointing second half display. Les Davis has probably beaten us up, and he's taken his goals very well. We couldn't deal with that, and bitterly disappointed. We've had a couple of chances. Luke Borelli's had one where I think he should have finished that, and could have had a penalty. Not sure. I'll have a look at that again. But another very disappointing day in the office, and the fact that we've conceded the number of goals and not scored as well is a concern, and it's something we're going to have to sort out very quickly now.
Positive note: we've got only 2 days left until we can go again.
Yeah.
And we can put that performance behind us. Are you confident ahead of that Carmarthen game?
Well, we're going to get Joe Clark back, I hope. I think Lou Shearborn might still be a doubt, so we're having to try and manage injuries as well. We just got to go there, dust ourselves off again, and keep saying that, and hopefully we can go to Carmarthen. They're in form, they're doing really well. They're a tough team, as we know from last week, and we'll see what we can get out of it. So,
Matt, thank you for your time. Appreciate it.
No problem.